Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadien balami nagi babun balang ke jing persya ban penkut ika Tamasa cherry blossom hakakat kendai terik unai weng arja pulai. Kabahap ru akas new belay. Usembut menteri rang ba kajela ba Preston tan song loong ba ai ba kata Tamasa kan Sdang Hadien ka lai Baje jan miet andalawai ki Jingïaseng. Habi ekran bikila thai kubor ba Preston tan song la kular ya ki pai ba jong kajela. Dak ba ong ba kani kam dei baki kwa ban penkut aksi belay. Handai kani ke program balai ni sausi ka syujar khat bakan kut no aksi belay. Shushu ba Preston loong ba sorkar kalarai ban ptha ya kitu ginang penya ya ka Tamasa ba hagani kenti ba menta kakut no aksi belay. Ti ai baka program kan Sdang Hadien ka lai Baje andalawai ka Jingïaseng haki yeng mani bat nak benta kisnam banwan kan sak hen bha ya kisngi nang ba baro kin ya kemen lang nak ni Tamasa.
If you talk about Sunday or Saturday or Friday, see sometimes it happen. The last day sometimes it happened that it ended on Sunday, or maybe the starting it happened Sunday or Saturday or Friday. Well, let me just assure the people of the state, this is not that we really wanted to do it during Sunday, but because this is the program of 3-4 days, so it ended. It so happened that it ended Sunday. What we decided is we have already instructed even those organizers for this time, since it is ended on Sunday, let the function start maybe after 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Sunday. Let it start by the after 3 o'clock after the church service and all. Then let again the program be started, and I would request everybody, let us be cool, calm, okay, let us be cool, calm, and then we will see maybe from next year onwards to calculate the date accordingly, so that everybody, they are happy, everybody are also benefited out of this festival. I would like to say that this is the sentimental step, okay, because it's so sentimental. People, I think you understand well. Here it is known as a Christian state. So some of our honorable, be it church leaders or even the members of the NGOs, they have that sentiment. Okay, they have that sentiment. I appreciate that sentiment, no doubt about it. From the government's side, I don't say that it's wrong. It is right. But for this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending part, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service.